Talkify Podcast. Improve your English conversation. Today, we are learning about how to order food. Imagine, you are standing in front of a glass door. Inside, there is light, the smell of fresh coffee, and people laughing. But you are holding your breath.
Yes, the door isn't made of glass. It's made of words you haven't spoken yet. The fear of a simple hello can feel like a mountain.
It's just a sandwich, right? But in your head, it's a final exam. Your heart is beating like a drum. What if I say it wrong?
And that's the hook. If you stay outside, you stay hungry, not just for food, but for life. Today, we open that door together. Stay with us.
So you walk in. The person behind the counter looks at you. Hi, what can I get for you? Suddenly, English feels like a puzzle with missing pieces.
I know that silence. The brain goes blank. But remember, they are there to feed you, not to judge you. The first step is a simple breath.
Keep it light. You don't need a poem. A simple, hi, I'd like, is your golden key. It's the bridge between you and the meal.
I'd like. It's gentle, it's polite. It says, I am here and I am ready.
You know what's funny? In English, we love to be indirect. We don't say, give me burger. That sounds like a movie villain.
True. We use could. Could I have? It's like a soft knock on a door. It shows respect for the person and the language.
Could I get a coffee? It sounds like music. It's not just an order, it's a connection.
Then the counterattack happens. The waiter asks, small, medium, or large? Paper or plastic? Hot or cold?
The choices feel like arrows, but you don't have to catch them all at once. It's okay to say, give me a second, please. Silence is allowed.
Oh, I love that. Taking your time is a power move. You are the one ordering. You own the clock.
Sometimes we want things different. No onions, please. It feels like you're being difficult, doesn't it?
Yes, you feel like a burden, but asking for what you need is a form of self-love, even if it's just about a burger.
Can I have this without... It's a small phrase, but it means you are in control. Don't eat the onion if you hate the onion.
So, you ordered the main course, you're feeling good, your chest is out, and then the waiter leans in. Would you like fries with that? Or perhaps a salad?
Oh, the unexpected fork in the road. The rhythm breaks. You hadn't practiced for the sides. Your mind starts racing again.
It's a trap, a delicious salty trap, but it's also a test of your speed. What are the options? That's your shield.
Yes, asking a question is a way to gain time. You don't have to answer yes or no immediately. What comes with the burger? It keeps the conversation alive.
And then the toppings. Everything on it? In the movies, they just say, yeah, but in real life, oh, I hate pickles.
Pickles are the small tests of life. To say no pickles, please, is to be honest with yourself. It's not just about the taste. It's about being heard.
Hold the onions, extra cheese. These aren't just instructions, they're your personal signature on a piece of bread.
It's okay to be specific. The world doesn't want you to be silent. The world wants to know how you like your work. Now, you're thirsty. Talking is hard work. The waiter asks, anything to drink?
This is the calmest part. A drink is a simple noun. Water, Coke, tea. But even here, fear can whisper.
Tap water or bottled? The classic choice. One is free, one is fancy. You have to choose your vibe in a split second.
Just tap water, please. It's humble. It's direct. It shows you are comfortable in your own skin, even if that skin is currently very thirsty.
The order is placed. The waiter walks away. Now the silence returns. But it's a different kind of silence, isn't it?
Yes, it's the silence of achievement. You look at your hands. They aren't shaking anymore. You did the thing. The English didn't break. The world didn't end.
It's like waiting for a grade on a paper, but the grade is a hot plate of food, the best kind of reward.
And while you wait, you realize everyone else in this room is just like you. They're all just trying to be fed and understood.
The plate hits the table. "Enjoy your meal," says the waiter. And you say, "You too." Then you freeze.
Oh, the you too reflex. The waiter isn't eating. You are. It's a tiny mistake, a social ghost.
But look, the waiter just smiled. They've heard it 1,000 times. It makes you human. It makes you real.
Accept the mistake. Smile back. The food tastes the same whether you were perfect or a little bit awkward.
You're full now. The fear has been replaced by calories. You catch the waiter's eye. It's time to leave the stage.
Everything was great, thank you. This is the closing ceremony. Gratitude is the easiest English word to say, and the most powerful.
Keep the change, if you're feeling brave. It's like a standing ovation for yourself. I came, I spoke, I ate.
You aren't just leaving a restaurant, you're leaving a version of yourself behind, the version that was afraid of a menu.
So we're back at the glass door, but this time you're on the outside looking in. You see someone else standing there, hesitating.
You want to tell them, it's okay, the words are just tools. Don't let the hunger win.
Exactly. Language isn't a wall, it's a door, and you just found the key.
Next time, it will be easier. The time after that, it will be a habit. Eventually, it will just be a conversation.
I'm actually getting hungry now. Maybe I should go practice my could I get a... What about you, Natiri?
I think I'm ready for a large. No more smalls for me.
I love that. Go big, speak loud. The kitchen is open. Would you like me to create a cheat sheet of these phrases so you can keep them on your phone for next time? You said, let's go deeper. What if the menu is a language you don't speak? Not English, but chef, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan.
Oh, the modern complexity. It's like adding another layer to the mountain. You don't want to be that person, the one who asks too many questions.
But you are that person. We all are. We all have a thing. Does this have nuts is a survival skill, not a nuisance.
Exactly. Your health is worth a few extra words. I'm allergic to is a heavy sentence, but it's a necessary one. The waiter would rather answer a question than call an ambulance.
The confidence of check, please. The meal is done. The plate is a graveyard of crumbs. Now the final act. You have to catch the waiter's eye.
It's a dance. A little wave, a nod, or the classic invisible pen writing on the hand gesture.
The international sign of I am done. But try the words this time. Could we have the bill, please? Or in the US, can I get the check?
It sounds so final. It sounds like I have finished my mission. The transaction of energy and food is complete.
And then the math. The 20% ghost. How much? Why? The screen is staring at you.
The pressure of the tip screen. It feels like a judgment on your character, but it's just a custom. Is service included? Is a fair question to ask.
Don't let the numbers scare you. If the service was good, a thank you in cash or card is a bridge. It says, I saw your hard work.
Oh wait, there's a slice of pizza left. It's too good to leave behind. But asking for a box, it feels cheap?
No, it's respectful. It says the food was too good to waste. Can I get a box for this? Or can I take this to go?
The doggy bag. Even if you don't have a dog, it's your breakfast for tomorrow, a trophy of your successful outing.
You stand up. You walk toward the door, the same door that felt like a wall an hour ago.
You feel lighter, not because you ate, but because you spoke. The words didn't get stuck in your throat.
The waiter says, have a great night. And this time, you are ready. You too. See you next time.
See you next time. That's the most important part, because now you know you can come back.